Minista muviani wa Uimi Mithika Linturi niwavonoka kumuthulwa Mwanyani wake itina Nzama mwanya ya mbunge nene la yisakuitwe kwithukiisya ikoani yake kumutangiia. Nzama ila ina ayumbe 13 mwonzama kuna kula kana maundu ala ukuwetekanaa namo yiina ukusi vala ana menda nguthulwe. Joseph Kitheka ni watumbanisa ngewenu.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Minista muviani wa Uimi Mithika Linturi kwi umuthi ni wakwata uvucho munene itina wa komiti ya mbunge ya amemba 11 ile yisakuitwe kuthuima maundu kauti hala monokilitwe nikenda kuvetanga kivilani kuvyaia itheka undu uu.
If the committee finds that the allegations are not substantiated, no further proceedings shall be taken.
Kwenana na amemba su na hala manatwa isi isesoyu meweta maundu kauta hala monokilitwe kwivo kuthio vitu kanuna mio ya katiba kwika mavityo kwenana na katiba na mio yothukumi kwa mwene nthi kwitha na mituo mithuku kwenana na mio nikana maundu asu onthe maina nenganwa ukusi wa kuyana Nzamani isu na wuva ikitumio na kimwe kituma Minista huu Kuvetangwa ofisini.
The allegation under ground 1 on gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, ground 2 on serious reasons for believing that the Cabinet Secretary has committed a crime under national law, and ground 3 on the gross misconduct as outlined in the special motion are unsubstantiated.
And a disclosure has been made to me that questions and alleges impropriety and misconduct by some members of the committee. And I'm not talking of anything out there. I am talking of things disclosed to me as a lawyer and a member of this house.
You cannot cast aspersions against your colleagues without a specific motion against any one of them or several of order. Against any one of them or any 2 or 3 of them. That there was impropriety, there is evidence, and you want the House to discuss a member. I will gladly approve such a motion if you brought and I found substance in it.
Kwenana na ripoti la yetu mbunge nisu nikana mbunge muunza kati wa 11 ni mumana kunikula ya kuleana na itambia kuvetanga Minista ukivilani ana maikota mbundu suki nikula kitumia Minista Linturi atavetangwa ofisini.
Standing Order 199 provides that a report of committee shall be adopted by a majority of the members. 4 members of the committee dissented and made their opinion known before the committee.
Mr. Speaker, for the record, the Honorable T.J. Kajwang, the Honorable Yusuf Farah, the Honorable Catherine Omanyo, and the Honorable Robert Mbui stood with the Kenyan farmers and said enough is enough and the CS must go. Mr. Speaker, the reality is this, that when we went to that committee, Mr. Speaker, the committee, instead of carrying out investigation as was told by this House, the committee went and turned itself into a Supreme Court of Parliament of Kenya, presided over, Mr. Speaker, by the Lady Justice Naomi Wako. And Mr. Speaker, the rest of us became judges.
Mutalatala uuna ulona tetu mbunge ni suni mbunge wa Mbomula Jack Waboka unaendekethesia kumvetanga ofisini Minista Linturi ahimo kunania na kilingiisi cha fertilizer muthuku ule uneuna kuusiwa vanthi ya Kenya na kutuma amuma aimi mayambi okwata wasi kwisila nimani yo.
I was adversely mentioned by the Honorable CS to the effect that I was even the sponsor of this motion. I therefore request, Honorable Speaker, that anything that was mentioned regarding me be expunged from the report.
If you watched, because the proceedings were live on TV, Mr. Speaker, what Honorable Linturi was talking about, instead of telling Kenyans how fake fertilizers found itself in the market, he talked about the famous episode, the soap opera of his love gone bad, Mr. Speaker, with the Honorable Kyati.
Honorable Junet Mohammed, I want to caution you and everybody thinking like you that this is not a matrimonial court.
Following the overwhelming decision of this House last Thursday, in a vote of 149 against 36, I don't think this matter should have even gone up to the select committee stage. The decent thing he should have done was to resign. Failure to resign, we would have expected the appointing authority to sack him, Honorable Speaker. Those two have not happened.
If we propose motions to impeach cabinet secretaries for the sake of it, we will make this house extremely impotent. We will become impotent because we are acting at the whim of the moment. We are not patient to get substantive issues that can truly impeach a cabinet secretary.
Joseph Kitheka ngilivote vilingi wa Mauvo, Mutongoi TV.